Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arif Dwi Cahyono, student standard number 21312204. Journal 1, Living Force-Based Interactive Multimedia in Civic Education Learning. Topic: Education. Risk problem on the basis of the research and development approach. These students seek to produce an AI model of living force-based interactive multimedia for civic learning that is assumed to be able serve the character of the lens. The question other standard as follows. Result revealed that the model computually integritas living force and the prince of living force education into interactive multimedia with aspical intonation to computation and basic computation of civic education according. Journal 2, Development of the Trans Pancasila Village. Tools education synthesis a fit of characteristic live about in difference for student. Jurnal PPKN. Tema: Pancasila Village Resource Problem. This resource wasing a possibility is the resource done free and natural according to object coordination in the first hoods manipulation as well as the type of data minali complex data quality. Result based on the results for elementary school teacher interview. Pantirejo 1 explains that education to live in harmony as give to student in the form of batch normal. We in learning activity once the teacher is only focus on educational materials the nationality that will touch that day. Journal 3, Learning Strategy of Pancasila and Extensive Education on Students' Character Development. Topic: Education. Resource problem. Based on the result, a context P. Effendi, Indonesia has moral development such as free sex, student growth, street racing, stroke urs, your liquor, gambling, coercion, cash, robberies, Swiss bombs, terrorists, and things for gain. Culture and cash pornography video of the performance as many of the students such education have been even done to the current generation. The results of the rest with that the learning implication in theology of the Pancasila and extensive education talks, education, communication, and raw much which can develop religious, nationalistic, independent complication and integrity character was well in very process of teaching and learning in the classroom. Journal 4. Please note implementation of ELIS simulation. Tema: implementation of elimination. Research problem with the opening of test political space in the hopes that responsive and responsible given to the interest of the wind community leader decision making in the area solely in the interest of accountability to the public democracy that also best a spirit in the priest geometry in the region, so what many experts say is the set that it will give birth to the branch of administrative government in the region active and umberbil. Result gradually the process of dimension maturation began to appear. Amongst them are people have the unity and the urge to house a fixed state and scone with the explanation of the people. Journal 5. Development of a unity and diversity-based Pancasila education textbook for Indonesian Universitas. Topic: education. Research problem that study made to develop a Pancasila education textbook model based on Indonesia Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, unity in diversity on the text materials of compulsory subject in Indonesia University. Results. The thing real that when the computeral mode of the diversity based Pancasila education textbook is applicable and contextual with present that less is in accordance with the is of Indonesia diversity in the model integritas, tolerance first in the diversity of religious, physical, social, cultural, linguistic, and ideology oppressed. Thanks.